WMF Elevation 10, getting started. Turn on the machine. The display will now guide you through the initial setup step by step. Select your preferred language now and confirm your selection. Check the time and date and adjust them if necessary. Now determine the water hardness. You can look it up, research it, or test it yourself using the test kit provided. If a water filter is required, please confirm this on the machine now. First, remove the water tank from the machine and clean it thoroughly. To install the water filter, insert the water filter adapter into the tank and then place the water filter onto the adapter. Fill the water tank and place it next to the machine. Now select the filter specification and confirm it. Use the included multi-tool to open the bean and powder hopper and remove the lids. Depending on the machine's configuration, fill the powder container with the appropriate powder and the product hopper with beans. When using the milk system, remove the plug-and-clean adapter from the hot water spout and attach it to the milk container. Make sure the milk hose does not kink. Your machine is now ready for its first use.